Okay, so you can have like a cold press, which is like you do with citrus fruits. Think about how you get the olive oil out of olives. You squash them. So you do citrus. Essential oil, that's normally a steam distillation technique to extract the scent. And then we have these things called absolutes. And absolute is when you solvent extract the scent from the botanical material or the plant material. And so usually the solvent is called hexane. And so you put all these flowers in with this solvent. It's sort of like what I was saying with enfleurage before. The scent goes into the solvent and then you wash the solvent with alcohol. The scent transfers from the solvent into the alcohol. Then you evaporate the alcohol off and you end up with the absolute, which is the scented material. However, here's the thing. When you've got really fragile flowers like, what's great is tuberose, another great example, jonquil, boronia, a lot of the tiny little beautiful fragrant molecules that you smell when you actually smell the flower, they don't make it through the extraction process. So because if there's heat applied, they die off. They don't make it to the final absolute, the final fragrant material. And so what we smell, the absolute that we smell, is generally a lot darker than the living flower.